Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon gift card for Robux. First, understand that Amazon gift cards do not directly buy Robux on the Roblox platform. You will need to perform a simple conversion. You will purchase a digital Roblox gift card directly from Amazon using your Amazon gift card balance. This creates a redeemable code, which you will then use on the Roblox website. It is a straightforward process, ensuring you can enjoy your Robux soon. Once on Amazon, use the search bar to find Roblox gift card. It is important to select a digital code version. This ensures you receive an instant code via email or within your Amazon digital games library. Physical cards require shipping, which is unnecessary here. You can then choose the exact value you prefer, perhaps for 800, 1,700, or even 4,500 Robux. Select the amount you want, then proceed to checkout. After purchasing, Amazon will send your digital code to your registered email or make it available in your digital games and software library. This code will be 25 characters long, and it is crucial to copy it accurately. Next, open your web browser and go to the official Roblox website. Once there, find the section specifically for redeeming gift cards or promotional codes. This is where your copied code will be put to use. On the Roblox redemption page, paste your copied 25-character code into the provided box. Double-check for any typos, then simply click the Redeem button. The system will then process your code, adding the corresponding Robux directly to your account. You can instantly confirm this by looking at your Robux balance, usually displayed in the top right corner of your screen. Now, your new Robux are ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.